In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign up for a System.io free account. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official System.io homepage. This is where you can create your free account and begin accessing the platform. When the page loads, look for the email input field on the landing page. This field is usually placed near the main call to action, so it should be easy to spot. Once you find that field, enter your email address carefully. Make sure you type it correctly, because this email will be connected to your new account. If there is a typing mistake, it may cause problems later when accessing your account or receiving important messages from the platform. Taking an extra second here can save time and avoid confusion. After entering your email address, click the button that says Get Started for Free or Get My Free Account. Both options are intended to begin the same free account registration process, so you can select whichever one appears on your screen. After clicking, give the site a moment to process your request and move you to the next part of the sign-up flow. From there, you will be taken to the account setup area. At this stage, look for the Save button. Click Save to finalize this part of the process and open your new free account dashboard. Once that is done, you should be inside your System.io account and ready to start exploring the platform. Your dashboard is the main area where you can manage your account and access the tools available in the free plan. If the page takes a few seconds to load, that is normal. Just wait for it to finish so everything appears properly. If needed, you can also double-check that you are still on the official System.io website before continuing, just to make sure you are creating your account in the right place. The overall process is very quick. You visit the home page, enter your email, click the free account button, and then click Save to access your dashboard. As long as your email is entered correctly and you follow the on-screen prompts, the setup should be smooth and straightforward. That covers everything you need to know.